What we have here is our concrete etch. The reason we're going to use this material is it removes the wheat cream from the surface of the concrete, leaving it porous and ready for the epoxy to grab on. And then I'm going to apply the etch over it and then work it in with a stiff brush. When I'm done, I'll use clean water and squeegee it off, just like we've done with our cleaner and other products. Now that we have our floor prepared and it's dry, we're going to mix together our PERMAGUARD Plus. Put the A into the B. I want to make sure and get everything out of the can. And then we're going to mix it for 2 minutes with a drill. Now we've mixed it for 2 minutes. It's ready to be used on the floor. But before we get started, we've already taped our roller. One of the reasons we tape our rollers is because even if the roller says lint-free, they're not lint-free. So we'll put blue tape on it and we'll remove that blue tape, and that will remove all the loose lint from your roller before you get started. We also have our chips that we're going to be broadcasting onto the floor. We're going to put them into a bucket so that you can easily broadcast them. And we're ready to get started.